Welcome to our M800 booth. 2018 is exciting years for us in the Mobile World Congress. Aligned with our history in MWC, we focus on building a strong pathway to move into a digital economy. In the last 12 years, we put our technology globally in China, Middle East, and Southeast Asia, and most of all, at the end of Q4, we moved into Europe. Our live customer service portal, Live Connect, help a lot of the company to do the virtual call centers. And in 2017, we have a breakthrough that our product platform have proudly won a lot of recognized awards globally.
I'm pleased to announce the release of the M800 UIKit, a leading-edge new product that dramatically lowers the entry barrier for developers to create well-made applications. M800 UIKit is tightly coupled with M800 Communication SDK Suite, a complete SDK package for businesses to transform their application by enabling communication capabilities. Providing ready-made UI components, this new product allows developers to plug and play with different items when developing their mobile and web application projects. The fully functional and customizable layer of visual elements can be easily integrated into any mobile application and adjusted for customer needs such as matching company branding and style guide. As a product developed by M800, our new UI kit is powered by carrier-grade voice and chat features that are backed by strict SLA in security, reliability, and 24/7 assist functions. It also provides data capturing for big data and customer relationship management.
We constantly listen to our customers' needs and continue to enhance our products and technology to help ourselves and our customers to move ahead in the industry.